Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 6, User Input and Strings. Getting text from the user. Up until now, the event-driven apps you've created responded to the user clicking on an element or typing a number when you used prompt num. What if we want the user to provide text instead of a number? You can probably think of many apps and websites that ask you to provide text in order to do something. In programming, we have to represent text in a specific way to distinguish it from other words in our code, such as variable names, but we'll cover that a little later. At the beginning of class, you created a Mad Libs on paper, which takes the user input in the form of nouns, adjectives, and verbs to create a unique how-to manual. You'll be translating your own Mad Libs how-to into an app in this lesson. Actually sounds like a lot of fun. Well, what do we have to do right now? Play with the Mad Libs app a couple of times to see a digital version of the paper game. Think about how the final text is created based on the input from the user. How would you describe in words the algorithm for creating it? Sounds like a lot of fun. Go ahead and play with this. Hit run. We have to add a plural noun. Let's use where we're from. A regular noun. Let's go with the high school. Another noun. Let's go with the computer lab. A song. Ooh. Well, I think you all know that I'm a jazz fan, so let's go with a Miles Davis song, Stella by Moonlight. In a verb, let's do typing, because that's what we should all be doing in class. I'm going to hit next, and we have a little write out here. Learning to drive is a tricky process. There are a few rules you must follow. Keep 2 Clevelands on the steering wheel at all times. Step on the high school to speed up and the computer lab to slow down. Better not slow down in this computer lab. Your parents will love if you play Stella by the Moonlight on the radio, and I'm sure they will. Make sure to honk your horn when you see typing on a street sign. Took a bunch of random words, threw it in, and we get a little Mad Libs game. I think that's all we really had to do here. They really just wanted us to play around. We can see that anything we put into here will come up on the screen. If we go ahead and hit next, you can see noun 1 would be put into here, noun 2 would be here. On here, there is the song and the verb. All this is really doing is a variable, and this variable is being substituted with whatever is being inputted by the user on the screen. Well, this sounds like a lot of fun to create. Let's go ahead and get started.